Shibona Baman, Habana, a pretty Passoga. Shibona Baman, Habana, a pretty Passoga.
to be employed as an EPWP employee, you must be employed. Kodwa into esiyibonayo eThekwini, abasebenzi bakwa EPWP bayaphoqwa ukuthi bagqoke ikipa zikakhongolose. I-EPWP iyasetshenziswa ukuthi kurecruitwe ngayo, kurecruitela ukhongolose. Was saying we are going to end all that circus ngomhla ka-4 November when the MK party takes over the municipality. Sifuna ukuthi ke comrade uRamaphosa noMbalula abayeke uku-abuse i-march and march, because i-march and march ilwela into e-right uma ngabe ithi ama-illegal immigrants must go. Because, comrade, if you are called an illegal immigrant, it means you have broken the law. Because you are a criminal and you must be treated as such. Why is the government defending criminals at the expense of South Africans? Kunamapilita la ipointi asesarendiwe esarendelwe kuma illegal immigrants. Uma ufika lapha udayiswa ama drugs kula mapiliti, and uhulumeni usehlulekile ukuthathile nama illegal immigrants. We are saying to march and march. We are march and march, and march and march is us. We are with you. We are pledging our solidarity to you, because the struggle you are advancing is our struggle. Namhlanje abantu bakithi abatholi imisebenzi ngoba kuqashwe amakwerekwere athatha imisebenzi yabantu bakithi, and uhulumeni wehlulekile ufike sezo blame march and march. As the MK party, we will have a press briefing la isothaza khona ukuthi istand sethu songamhla ka4 simi kanjani. But I can tell you for free that we will always be on the side of the people. We will never be on the side of criminals. The same way we were on the side of General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uma iveza corruption last year, we will be on the side of the people living today. We know ukuthi uMkhwanazi babenga abamfuni, because uMkhwanazi unveiled corruption and criminals are arrested on a day-to-day basis. Kuboshwe igebengu. As the MK party were giving flowers to Mkhwanazi, we are saying forward with Mkhwanazi, forward. Forward with General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, forward. And we want to send a message to the government ukuthi umangena thinta uMkhwanazi nithinte i-MK party. We will shut down all the streets of this country. Umangena mbophu uMkhwanazi. We will never allow people who expose corruption to be victimized, because the corruption happens at the expense of service delivery. Le imali entshontshwayo, imali ekufanele ngabe zakhe izindlu, imali ekufanele ngabe zifaka ugesi, imali ekufanele ngabe ifaka amanzi. Comrades, we want to say to you, as members of the MK party now, the MK party is growing from one strength to another. And from ngomhla ka4 sizowawina wonke amawadi aseThekwini. Asizushiyane yodwa. Kodwa comrade, iyodwa into ezokwenza sinyawini. The enemy is very weak. We will never be defeated by the enemy. We can only be defeated ukuthi silwe sodwa ngaphakathi. We must unite behind the vision of uNamalala. We must unite behind the vision of the MK party. Singabe amalunga wamalunga, sibe amalunga we-MK party. Uma ngabe kune comrade elithi sondelinye ngoba lifuna usupporte lona, ungayivumeli leyo nto, because that comrade is not a member of the MK party. That comrade is seeing the MK party as a vehicle to deployment and employment. Bese bafuna ukusebenzisa ama-comrade wethu bawa-corrupt bawathengela utshwala. We must never allow that. This is a disciplined force of the left. Ayikho inhlangano that can defeat the ANC except this organization. And therefore, comrade, we must never lose focus, because when we fight amongst each other, we are going to lose focus, and we are not going to focus.
kuphela. Sicela imayika ize ngana ngaphambili. Viva Mkhonto weSizwe, viva! Sihole Msholozi, sihole! Long live the spirit of the MK Party, long live! Ayisi Cordless microphone, ayisi! Cordless mic, Cordless mic. Comrade, Cordless mic. Cordless mic, please. Cordless mic, comrade. Two. Jimmy Mud. Bambi Mud. Johnny Mud wale report sina somebada heseni. Ufano dalolo. Ufano dalolo. Ufano dalolo.
Kanza kwethu eduze kwami uBF umfowethu mina sibingelele mfowethu
Asibingelele ngane yakwethu uThembo niyaphila nonke nasemakhaya ababukele ba comrades ukuthi niyaphila nonke ibambe nje
senzani namhlanje la
namhlanje you are showing first usuku olukhulu kakhulu kumkhonto weSizwe ngokomhla ka10 sizobonisa itheku lonke namaphethelo ukuthi umkhonto weSizwe is ready to govern come umhla ka4 November umkhonto weSizwe uzothatha yonke into uzogavina ngaphandle kokubambisana nenhlangano ezincane umkhonto uzophatha itheku nje ngokuqondo kuthe ya injalo nje
sibele ngale phambili kule mashi le yenzakalayo namhlanje yini kahle kahle nifuna ukuyoyethula lapha kumasipala
eyoqala nje eThekwini la komasipala laba kuyibona abaphethe banenkohlakalo eXakusathana eyoqala amanzi abantu abanawo kodwa amanzi eThekwini abugcwele emfuleni bayivala ngamasibomvu nalama water tank nawo futhi awahambisa amanzi emphakathini eyoqala leyo eyosibili infrastructure yaseThekwini yonke iyabhubha umgwaqo ufile ugesi kunenkinga okwesithathu nathi indaba imisebenzi ekhona bayayidayisa nemali eseyintshontshiwe untshontsho aba 6 billion ontshontshiwe ile leadership yaseThekwini ekuyiyona elida itheku masipala so uyabona ukuthi uhulumeni weANC uthi ukhohlala nganani inkohlakalo nje baphila ngenkohlakalo eXakusathana yilokho okwesithathu okwesifokeke uCFO unenkohlakalo eXakusathana ama positions sebenza ama permanent positions bebeyazathi mhlawumbe ukuthi lathi kwama contract basis selekushintshile lokho baneyinhloso ezithize zokulutha umasipala waseThekwini abafuni ukuye bafuna ukuqhubeka nayo leyo nto leyo yeah
manje mhlawumbe yini enifisa yenzakale ukuqhubeka kiwa phambili
eyoqala nje ukuthi abayike umtshotshi imali yamasipala indaba yamanzi must be addressed indaba ya infrastructure address abayeke ukuthengisa imisebenzi abayeke ukunika amathenda abangani babo abayeke ukunika amathenda abangani babo abayeke ukuthatha imisebenzi bayinika intombi zabo nezihlobo zabo so izinto ezithi ayilungiseke zonke lezo
siyabonga isikhathi sakho
siyabonga kakhulu